Guys, Taha here and you are watching Mr. Tech. Today we're going to make a video on anti-dust plug covers for laptop, and it's pretty important for you and your laptop if you live in a city like Karachi where there's a lot of humidity and dust in your atmosphere. So I ordered these from Daraz. I have already opened the packet, so there's nothing like unboxing it, but still we're going to unbox this. It's a small packet and there are, I guess, 13 plugs for your laptop. And let me remove this tape or packing. The seller has nicely packed it, so thank you. And okay, so we have removed this, and if I am able to show you, so these are pretty cute and small plugs for your laptop, and they are really important. So I will also show you that what kind of consequences you face if you don't have these on your laptop, and why you should go for them, and how you should plug them in, and are they really value to money. Okay, so if we open the packet, so for the price I was telling you that it just costed me around 100 rupees, which is quite affordable for everyone. So if you open it from here and take out all the plugs, so is there anything left inside? No. Okay, so you can see that the quality of the plugs is pretty decent, and there is also this kind of knob or whatever you call to pull it out when you want to remove it, and there are a lot of types. It is, I guess it's a USB one, yes, and there are almost 9 to 13 plugs included. So now I will bring my laptop and will show you how you have to plug them in and what happens if you don't do this. Okay guys, so my laptop is here and it's pretty new, so you won't be able to see more dust, but there is still some dust in it. So I want to prevent more from getting in, so that's why I have bought these plugs, and I will also recommend you to buy these to protect your laptops, because these are expensive things and they should be protected. So here I have taken this USB plug, and it's pretty easy to plug it in just like this. Now you can see that the port is completely protected and no dust or moisture will get into it, and if you want to remove, you can just pull the plug like this and it will come out. And you can do this with all the ports, but my laptop don't have as many ports as the previous laptops had. I can also show you my sister's laptop. It's quite old, and you can see that there is some dust and moisture in it, which will over time cause rusting. And see, if I'm able to show you more carefully, so you can see that there is more dust and moisture in it, which we have to prevent from getting it, and it can also affect the accessories you plug in. Like if I have these plugs, you can see now the port will be protected from dust and moisture this way. Please give my video a thumbs up and like the video, subscribe the channel. This will give me a lot of support and it will motivate me to make more such videos. And thanks for watching.